So how do you turn off the light adjustment on the iPhone camera? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on this channel, consider subscribing because I have so many videos which I believe are going to help you out. Anyways, you get inside of your camera and you have more options. Like you can at first just select the subject, so the focus and exposure, like the light adjusts to that subject, right? And if you don't want this to change, you can hold it down on the little square which appears, and you're going to perform the AF and AE lock, right? So you're going to lock the autofocus and you're going to lock the automatic exposure change. So this is like a very quick way to do this. It works within the built-in camera, so this gets the job done. But of course, if you move to a different environment, it will not change, so you can unlock it by tapping somewhere else, right? And it will just work this way. However, if you need something a little bit more professional, like a different camera app will likely be required. For example, for capturing videos, I recommend you to get the Final Cut camera app, which is also made by Apple. It's free to download, and there the difference is that you can change the exposure setting to the manual selection instead of the automatic. So there you don't have to like lock anything in place, right? You literally get like an exposure slider, and the way that you set it up is the way that it's going to stay. And the reason is, of course, that this is a more professional approach. It's more professional camera app. So my point is that if you need that, you cannot do it in the built-in camera, and you'll need to do it through this kind of like third-party, better professional camera apps. So let me know if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.